My man Vince.
Teasing.
Dude, how's it
Oh, dude, I'm sorry, my hands are cold. It's 10 degrees
Let
outside.
me hanging, buddy.
It's 10 degrees. I can't feel my hands.
Grab those.
Oh my God.
Them hand warmers, you know.
Oh.
Ooh, you gotta put them on your ear. You gotta put them on your ear.
Wait a second. Oh my, this is revolutionary. This is game changer.
Chicago weather, negative 10 degrees.
God. My dude, I need an old fashioned, man.
Oh.
Tease it. I need an old fashioned. I need something to warm me up.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Old fashioned, right?
What?
Old fashioned. I need something to warm me up.
For what?
It's warm. It's nice. It's good.
Yeah.
Okay,
Got it right
let's
here.
do it. Okay. All right, I'll
Grab
grab the
whiskey.
gin. You got the aromatic bitters.
The what?
Tonic water, the soda water.
The what?
The gin. Yeah, I got it right here.
Old fashioned whiskey, buddy.
Gin. Old fashioned. First old fashioned. The first gin was made with gin.
Well, no shit. First gin was made with gin.
No.
Old fashioned is
I'm
made
sorry.
with
No.
the
The
whiskey.
first old fashioned was made with gin.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
No,
Didn't
it
you read
wasn't.
the facts before today's
Vince,
episode?
no, it wasn't.
Yes, the facts are.
You and your facts. Listen, nobody really cares about the facts.
history, man.
Nobody cares about the
Russian. The white
You,
Russian was
your
made
white
in
Russian.
Russia.
Yeah, it wasn't made in Russia.
It wasn't made in
Moscow
Russia.
Mule's not made
My
in Moscow.
God.
So
You can't.
no.
No. It's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock.
Oh. Hey guys, I'm teasing.
And I'm Vince.
It's 5 o'clock. You know what that means.
It's time to drink.
Let's get to it. Alrighty guys, listen. It is 5 o'clock. We are in Chicago.
My dude,
It
the
is.
snow's up to here.
Negative 10.
My God, it's
Yeah,
so
guys,
cold.
we had some crazy storms. I think we had a total of 4 inches of snow. 4 feet
4 feet, yeah.
of snow total.
Throughout the winter, yeah.
Yeah.
I think so, yeah.
So it's been a lot.
It's a struggle.
Shoveling snow.
Not fun. Not fun at all.
No. and how do we keep ourselves warm with these?
You know, these hand
These,
warmers, they
oh.
do a decent job, but teasing, it doesn't do justice like the old fashioned.
No, it doesn't.
No, it does
No,
not.
it doesn't. Now the old fashioned, it's like a furnace.
It is.
Okay.
Yeah.
You just drink it and it just.
It's like you're drinking the wood.
warm.
It's like you're drinking the wood, you're drinking the fire in there.
Well, funny thing.
Yeah.
Whiskey is actually made with wood.
What? Really? What do you mean by
Yeah,
that?
so you basically distill it, you put
Okay.
it in the barrels, and you would actually light a wood on fire, like a wood
a
tip.
little piece of wood.
Yeah, a piece of wood on fire until it's like, charcoal,
Sure.
until it's really burnt.
Okay.
And then you would just take that, put it in the barrel,
Huh.
close it up, and that's what actually gives it that color.
Oh, the nice caramel color? Okay, so it's like, so what? Before it goes in, it looks kind of like a vodka or
Yeah,
gin
something
situation?
like that, yeah.
No way. Okay, I guess that gives it that nice caramel color. I like that.
No.
No, but that makes sense.
Oh, yeah? So guys, today we're gonna show you how to make the old-fashioned 3 different ways.
Yes.
The first one is gonna be apparently the
right way.
gin way, which
actually
not
gin.
really.
My dude,
but
if you
okay.
haven't tried that out, you got to make it, all right?
Whatever. Okay, fine, I'll make it.
And then after that, we'll make, for your benefit, we'll make the classic old fashioned.
how it's intended with
Sure.
the whiskey.
Okay.
And finally, we're gonna show you how we make it the 5-0 way, aka the fashion at 5.
Oh, okay. I'm interested in hearing about that.
But first, which one shall we start with?
We shall start with the original.
So the whiskey.
Funny man. Let's get to it, all right?
All right, man, calm down. All right, guys. So I'm gonna show you how to make the gin and tonic.
No, the old fashioned. Come on.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you how to make the original old-fashioned made with whiskey.
No, with gin. Come on. Come on.
Okay, guys, so the original old-fashioned, which is made with gin.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so for this, all you're gonna need are 3 ounces of gin. You're gonna need 3 to 4 dashes of aromatic bitters. You're gonna need 1 cube of sugar, and you're gonna need a dash of club soda. And to garnish, finally, you're just gonna need a zest of the orange and a piece of cherry. How's that?
Perfect.
Okay. Guys, let me show you. So to begin, grab a shaker, put in 3 ounces of your favorite gin. Then you're gonna take 1 cube of sugar, drop it right in, and give it a good muddle. You wanna mix those two together and get it a nice blend. Move that to the side, grab a glass, and pour in some ice. Once that's complete, you're gonna pour in your concoction, and then you're gonna put 3 to 4 dashes of aromatic bitters. You're doing this to get the flavors out. Once that's complete, you're gonna stir that in, and then you're gonna get an orange peel. Once you have that set, you're gonna squeeze it in and coat the rims. Once that's complete, just drop it right in. And finally, you're gonna take a cherry and plop that right in, and guys, there you have it.
All right, guys. Well, you know what? Teason made you guys the classic. No, the original old fashioned. It was actually pretty good. The gin, complicated tone. But you know what? Let's bring it back to today. And you know what? Let's make it the classic old fashioned. Now for this drink, you'll need 3 ounces of whiskey. You'll need a couple dashes of aromatic bitters. You'll need a cube of sugar. You'll need some club soda. And you'll need some orange zest. And finally, some cherries. That's it. That simple. Let's begin.
Alrighty guys, let's begin. Grab our shaker and drop in a cube of sugar. Now after that's done, let's grab about 3 ounces of our favorite whiskey, because you know what? An old fashioned really deserves the best. Muddle in that sugar, and once it's done, we want to put it off to the side. Grab our single serving glass and drop in some ice. 3 dashes of aromatic bitters for flavor, because you know what? Trust me, you need it. Now pour in our drink, about a dash of club soda, and grab some orange zest. Squeeze in those essential oils. And once it's done, you want to coat the sides with that orange zest. After that, plop it right in there. And finally, to finish off the old fashioned, drop in a cherry.
Ooh, alrighty guys, so there you have it. 2, pretty good,
Yeah,
pretty decent,
pretty good, pretty amazing.
pretty okay.
Wait, hey,
Yeah, I'm okay, fine. First you got the original old-fashioned
which is great.
gin.
Yes.
Okay.
And then you have the classic.
My favorite.
Old-fashioned.
My favorite.
It's really, it's good.
That's pretty good, but I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
My top favorite is a fashioned at 5.
My God, my dude, you gotta stop doing that. It's tripping me up.
Pretty nice.
My bar keeps changing up.
All right, guys. So for this, it's actually super simple. You're gonna need 3 ounces of whiskey.
Fine. You're gonna need half an ounce of simple syrup.
Simple syrup. Okay. You're gonna need 3 to 4 ounces of aromatic bitters.
You're gonna need a couple slices of Serrano.
Ooh, so it's gonna be spicy.
Very spicy.
Yep. And then to garnish, you're gonna need some.
You're gonna need some orange zest and some Serrano.
Yep.
Yes.
Oh yeah. And just a dash, just a little bit of that club soda.
Yes.
That's it. Let me show you. First, you're gonna grab a shaker and you're gonna put in 3 ounces of your favorite whiskey. Once that's complete, you're gonna take half an ounce of simple syrup, pour that in. Then you're gonna take some peppers and put it in and give it a good muddle. Once that's complete, you're gonna put in ice in your shaker, pop the top, and give it a good shake. Move that to the side, grab a glass, and you're gonna put in 3 to 4 dashes of aromatic bitters, plop in an ice cube, and pour your drink right in. Once that's complete, you're gonna put in a dash of club soda. Then you're gonna take your orange peel, squeeze it in, and give it a good coat. And finally, put in a pepper on the side, and that's it. Mama's old-fashioned.
You mean your dad's old fashioned?
But this time it's not your mama's old-fashioned.
Oh, if you say so.
And now we have the original, the classic, my favorite.
You know, when you go to a bar, this is what you'll get. Yeah. It's great. It's phenomenal. This is what everyone fell in love with. If you think about the old fashioned.
And finally, the fashioned at 5.
Teason,
What do you think?
I tried a little bit of it before. This is for the spicy lovers.
Oh yeah, this is for the spicy levels, but you didn't try the drink itself. You tried the actual
I tried the pepper.
Yeah, the pepper was hot.
Yeah, I took a little bite.
He's
so
still
salivating.
salivating.
Okay, let me actually take a sip.
Yes,
all right?
yeah. Tell me how it is. With an actual sip.
It smells spicy.
Yeah, it smells spicy, but...
Oh, wow.
That's different.
That hits differently.
Yeah.
That's actually not bad. Yeah, you muddle it in. I don't know what it
See,
is.
you get a little bit of that spicy kick,
I smell.
but you smell more.
I smell more of it.
Yeah.
Okay, honestly, not gonna lie. I kid you not. I was salivating like no other, just for taking a little bite of this pepper. Taking the drink, nothing. It got rid of the spice. It temporarily got rid of the spice.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah.
It's refreshing. It's nice. I like it.
It's really nice.
Oh my God.
And then, this one, it's just the classic.
The classic one.
And this one,
The gin.
I kind of like this.
You kind of like the gin?
It's unique.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know what it is. I think it's the aromatic bitters. It just completely changes the taste. Like, I do not taste gin.
No?
No.
All right. I taste the whiskey with this one. I do taste the whiskey. This one, no whiskey. This one, honestly, hands down, if I had to pick, this is my favorite one.
Yeah.
The gin.
I like this.
Yeah?
Yeah. I do like spicy, and this isn't really spicy.
No.
But it has that
It has the notes of spice.
notes of spice, yeah. But yeah.
Like, all right, not gonna lie, the only thing that's different between these two is the pepper.
The pepper and the fact that this is made with sugar while this is made with simple syrup.
Exactly, yeah.
That's
You know
it.
what? Not gonna lie, those two small differences make a huge difference because
does.
these two are very different drinks.
Completely different.
I think I prefer that one more.
Oh yeah, definitely. And I don't know what it is. The pepper, like, just that little bit of hint of that spice.
Yes.
It just, it's nice to bring it in.
It is a nice thing, especially.
But it's not overpowering.
No.
Now the, what is it? The pepper itself is spicy.
Yeah.
But when you muddle it in, it doesn't really create that whole lot.
It
of
adds
spice.
notes.
Yeah. It just adds notes, and when you smell it, definitely it smells spicy.
It does.
But is it really?
No, it's not. And you know what? In like weather today, where it's like what, -10 degrees in Chicago,
It's very pleasant.
it's nice.
Well, guys, there you have it. That is 3 unique ways of creating the old fashioned. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button.
And if you guys want to be notified for future content, don't forget to hit subscribe.
Until next time, guys, I'm Teasin.
And I'm Vince.
It's 5 o'clock, and we're out.
Cheers, buddy.
Cheers, bud.